Hi and welcome to Rooster's Reviews. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly swap out the grip module on a Sig P365xl to the Wilson Combat grip module. Stick around and see how it's done. Welcome back. In this video we're swapping out the grip module on the Sig P365xl to the Wilson Combat grip module. I'm going to show you how quickly and easily this is done, folks. First thing you want to do is make sure your weapon is clear of any ammo. Lock the slide back, pull down the breakdown lever, pull back the slide, release it, and pull your slide off. Once your slide is off, there's a pin right here. Take a screwdriver, push in on that pin, and the pin will slide out. Then you grab the trigger assembly from the back, and you're going to pull that up and pull it out of the grip module, just like so. You take the Wilson Combat grip module, and you do the reverse. You basically take the trigger assembly, put it in this end first, pop it into place, take your pin, replace it in there, and you're good to go. Take your slide, push your slide back, lock it into place, make sure the breakdown release is back up, pull the slide backwards, and it's all installed. It's that easy, folks. Check it for operation, and that's all there is to it, folks. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please click the like button and subscribe below so you don't miss out on any future videos. And until next time, folks, this is Rooster's Reviews.